Welcome to our channel. Let us draw a dinosaur. Step 1. Start with the body. Begin by drawing an oval shape for the dinosaur's body. This will be the main part of the dinosaur. Step 2. Add the head. Add a smaller oval or circle at one end of the body for the dinosaur's head. Step 3. Create the neck and tail details. Connect the head to the body with a curved line for the neck. Add some details to the tail, such as spikes or scales. Step 4. Include legs and feet. Draw 2 pairs of short lines underneath the body for the dinosaur's legs. Add details and patterns. Enhance your dinosaur drawing by adding details like scales, patterns, or any other features you'd like. Draw the extend tail. Extend a line from the other end of the body to create the dinosaur's tail. Dinosaurs came in various shapes and sizes, so feel free to get creative. You can make it curved or straight, depending on the type of dinosaur you're imagining. Final touches. Outline your drawing with a darker pen or marker to emphasize the lines. Erase any unnecessary pencil marks. Now you have your own dinosaur drawing. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and features to create a unique dinosaur of your own. Let us color a dinosaur. Hey, young artists! We'd love to see your amazing drawings. Feel free to share them on our Appchant Facebook page. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to check out the creative masterpieces from other talented kids as well. Keep those artistic vibes flowing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye for now.